lifting.
QT.
I
Ooh,
try to lift.
ooh, ooh. Go, go,
啊，
go.
有了。行，脸上拍拍行。OK。
Ooh, very good.
摆这，摆这。
看不住。For loading the material. Hello friend, you see now we use our QT4-30, the diesel engine powered block machine produce these 4 blocks. And this design is for the half. You know, normally you will use the whole bricks, the whole blocks to divide the two half to be the 2 half blocks. When you use the blocks at the corner of the wall, so normally you will use this. And also this part you can see, you know, the groove. Normally the customer requires us to produce the 2 grooves at the 2 ends of the blocks. But you know why here you see there's another small groove, a small channel here, especially for using Jamaica. We'll be using for Jamaica. So this blocks mold is ordered by our customer who is from Jamaica, South America. Okay. So I let I let my workers to try to stand up, on the bricks. 这得有点缝了哈。See. Very good. And look at here. It's where he stand up here, and also here. No damage, no change. There's not any change. So it's even the blocks is wet blocks. It's wet blocks, not dry. It can be stand up. And now we try to measure at the measurement the block size, whether it's correct or not. And also like this one, this design, and between the channel, between the groove, there's another small channel. This design is especially for Jamaica, the customer use market, Jamaica market. Okay.